How to log into your Blue Yonder email account. What is up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily log into the Blue Yonder's email. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. Now let us get back into the video. The first thing you need to do is simply open up your web browser and search for Blue Yonder. Blue Yonder is an American supply chain management company operating as an independent subsidiary of the Panasonic company. So if you want to log into the Blue Yonder's official email, then you will just have to search for Blue Yonder on your web browser, and once you land on the home page, you're just going to have to go ahead and simply open up the Blue Yonder Success email portal. So once you open up the login portal, you will have an option to log into your account. So here you can provide your username and then your password. So once you have done that, you can simply tap on login to log into your account. But in case if you want the browser to remember your login information, you can click on this Remember Me option, and then next time you log in, your browser will remember your login information. And if you have forgotten your password somehow, then you can click right here to recover your password. So here on the login template, you will have an option to enter your username to recover your password. So tap on Reset Password and they'll send a link to your email, and that way you can easily recover your password. And that's how you easily log into Blue Yonder email. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.